Today, we're going to talk about how to optimize your Facebook business page in 2025 so that it reaches more people, engages your audience, and drives results for your business. Optimization is more than just having a page. It's about making it complete, active, and attractive to both visitors and Facebook's algorithm. First, start with a fully completed profile. Make sure your business name, category, contact information, website, and address are accurate and up to date. Add a professional profile picture, usually your logo, and a high-quality cover image that reflects your brand. A complete page builds credibility and makes it easier for customers to trust your business. Next, focus on posting consistently and strategically. Share a mix of content like tips, updates, promotions, and behind-the-scenes stories. Use images, videos, and graphics to make posts more engaging. Scheduling your posts through Facebook Business Suite helps maintain consistency, which signals to Facebook that your page is active and boosts your visibility in news feeds. Another key step is engaging with your audience. Reply to comments, messages, and reviews promptly. Encourage interactions by asking questions or creating polls. Pages with higher engagement are favored by Facebook's algorithm, which increases the chance of your content being seen by more people. Don't forget to utilize the available tools and tabs, showcase your services, add a shop if applicable, and highlight customer reviews. Use call to action buttons like Contact Us or Book Now to make it easy for visitors to take the next step. Accurate and organized information helps visitors navigate your page and improves your overall user experience. Finally, monitor your insights and analytics. Check which posts get the most engagement, what times your audience is online, and how your page is performing overall. Adjust your strategy based on these insights to improve results over time. Optimization is an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing your performance ensures your page stays effective and competitive. By following these steps, you can optimize your Facebook business page for 2025, making it more professional, engaging, and effective at reaching your audience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical social media tips and tutorials.